Orlando, Florida is unlike any other place in the world when it comes to inspiring fantastic stories. While many people come for the world-famous amusement parks, Orlando's allure extends beyond them, with its diverse culinary scene, massive outlet retail malls, outdoor recreation and distinct local history, rivaling the most intriguing worldwide destinations. It's not magical thinking to suggest that Orlando has something for everyone. At the Orange County Regional History Center, you may learn about 12,000 years of local history. The Morse Museum in Winter Park houses the world's largest collection of Louis Comfort Tiffany's art, of Tiffany lamp and Tiffany & Company fame. Take a trip around Harry Pugh Leu Gardens, a 20-hectare outdoor refuge located on the shores of Lake Rowena, to see the vibrant vegetation. Using Juice, the city's bike-sharing program, you can rent a bike and cycle your way through busy downtown Orlando. For a stroll along the water and ride on one of the park's iconic swan-shaped paddle boats, park at the Lake Eola Park near the city center. Every Sunday, the Orlando Farmers Market is held at Lake Eola. The crystal clear water of Rock Springs calls to be paddled in a transparent kayak. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Walt Disney World Resort is a massive theme park complex that includes 4 separate parks: Magic Kingdom Park, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Epcot and Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park, as well as 2 water parks, Disney's Typhoon Lagoon Water Park and Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park, dozens of restaurants and a uniquely themed place to stay. Of course, other world-famous attractions in the region include Legoland, SeaWorld Orlando and Universal Orlando Resort, which is home to the wizarding world of Harry Potter. The Florida Mall, Orlando International Premium Outlets, and Mall at Millenia are all within 20 minutes of Disney World and feature luxury stores such as Bulgari, Versace and Tiffany Company. From noon until late at night, you can easily pass the time in Disney Springs, which is brimming with shopping, dining and entertainment options ranging from casual to premium. Universal City Walk also packs in the good times. Eat, shop, dance, catch a show by Blue Man Group or see a concert at the Hard Rock Cafe. You'll have a hard time picking where to go when hunger strikes. There is premium dining. There are 17 James Beard Award-nominated or winning chefs in Orlando. Foreign flavors, approximately 40 ethnic cuisines are represented, and health-conscious options. Orlando being ranked a top vegan and vegetarian-friendly destination.